I want your opinion of vaginal discharge during pregnancy.
If you have a sudden white mucus plug come out, you're about to end the pregnancy and go into labor.
I'm not that far along.
The vaginal discharge will go back to white and thick after you ovulate. If you conceive, there may be drops of blood mixed in, or just brown or orange streaks in the discharge.
I'm a little farther along than that.
The vaginal discharge usually increases in volume during pregnancy, starting after implantation. However, it remains white and thick throughout unless something is wrong.
I know any red blood in vaginal discharge is dangerous, whether a sign of a miscarriage or uterine tear or something else only the doctor will know.
When you are pregnant, any bleeding is a reason to go to the ER.
Fortunately, I'm not seeing that type of vaginal discharge.
You'll normally see more white and thick vaginal discharge. Some women wear menstrual pads when pregnant to contain it.
That sounds fishy to me. I didn't think I'd need diapers until after I had the kid.
If the vaginal discharge smells fishy or like vinegar, you have a yeast infection.
I can't even take a pain reliever right now. What do I do about a yeast infection?
It is safe to use over-the-counter yeast infection treatment when pregnant, and you may need several. Pregnancy throws off your pH balance and makes yeast infections much more likely.
Glad I don't have that fishy smell down there, then. It is thick and off-color though.
If it is green or yellow, you may have a bacterial overgrowth.
That's dangerous during pregnancy.
It could make things smell, and you do want to talk to a doctor about it. However, if there are any lesions, itching and other signs of a social disease, you have to talk to a doctor.
Technically, life is sexually transmitted.
A sexually transmitted disease contracted before or during pregnancy puts the kid at risk. And it may be flaring up worse while pregnant because pregnancy compromises the immune system.
Yes, I'd talk to the doctor if I was worried about it, but I am not.
Then you'll just see more white and thick discharge. It would have increased in volume as the cervix thickened and rose up from the low point after ovulation.
But not as high as it would be if I wasn't pregnant.
That's where a lot of the mucus is coming from. But know that it will become dry if you're dehydrated just as when you're not pregnant.